Lithuania. What do you want people to know about Lithuania?
Sveiki, pas mus labai nuostabu, mes turim labai daug saulės, turim daug žolės ir daug gražių kitų ryškių spalvų.
Ačiū. Chicken is okay. Yes. Here you go. Achoo. Lithuania.
That's the idea, that this is really delicious apples that are to everyone. We're inside of... When we were inside of the Russian Empire, we became very resilient. We didn't want that our culture would be deleted. The Russian government didn't let monasteries and their own churches. So the Augustinian monks made all of this complex. Sometimes today we still call this Augustinian church. All the important decisions are made at the parliament with some beer or other drinks. They have ambassadors. It's rather serious. It's a reminder just to smile more often. Second is to the drivers. There is a speed limit in the place. If you don't follow the speed, you will end your trip in the river. This is what the last sign is about. The third sign with Mona Lisa tells you that the area is full of art. If today you see something very strange, something you cannot understand, just respect it. It's art. Everything is really allowed here. So now we start smiling. So I was saying to do this. It's full of many different pieces of art. And I would say the most famous is maybe this white monument just in front of you. We call it Jesus backpack. It's a people who live here, and today actually it's a popular trend to move into Užupis because it's next to the city, to the old city. The convenient location, the riverside, the nature makes it really a very attractive place. In the end, I would say today is the second most expensive part of the city, so from being dark alternative. So yeah, on the 1st of April there is this funny celebration which gives you a feeling that it's something different. During the rest of the big statue of Angel. They said Angel is something very friendly, something very positive, so they asked the local artist to make it. Go to the top of the mountain, because to us this is a mountain, but the way it's so flat, you can do mountain climbing, go to the top of it, the view is really
So there's meat inside this. And there's cream. And extra potatoes. Lithuania. Cepelinai. Lithuania. 700 years young. Lithuania. Old town behind me, and over Here is the new town, Lithuania, 21st century. Over here is medieval Lithuania. Okay. Is cameras allowed or no cameras?
No cameras.
Oh man.
It's a pity that it's 20 bucks.
So inside a prison in Lithuania. Oh shit. Lithuanian McDonald's. That one. So capitalism is alive here. Bus station there.
Kita stotelė, next stop, Paneriai.
Ačiū, ačiū. Trakai. Lithuania. Okay, so I'm in Trakai, Lithuania, about to go into their medieval castle. Lithuania. Right behind me is the Trakai castle. Lithuania. Behind me is the medieval Trakai castle. Lithuania. Behind me is the Trakai castle. Trakai, Lithuania.
Why is there a Ukrainian flag there?
Visidaro.
This is actually good.